In a quaint village surrounded by lush fields lived a boy named Jack, a beacon of determination born into a world of scarcity. The cruel clutches of poverty held his family, but Jack's spirit, it was different. It was ambitious, dreaming of a life far removed from the struggles they knew. He understood greatness came with its share of challenges, but he was undeterred. With a heart full of courage and a spirit full of ambition, Jack was ready to carve his own destiny. With unyielding resolve, Jack embarked on his journey, taking every opportunity to learn, grow, and rise above his circumstances. His diligence was as constant as the northern star, guiding him through the darkest nights of hardship. His dedication, as deep as the ocean, remained untamed despite the turbulent waves of adversity. People began to take notice, their eyes drawn to the beacon of perseverance that Jack had become. Yet the road to success was not without its stumbling blocks. Setbacks emerged like mighty mountains blocking his path, but Jack, fueled by his desire for a better future, remained undeterred. He met every challenge with a steadfast gaze, refusing to be swayed from his course. Through tenacity and unwavering commitment, Jack began his ascent, one step at a time, towards success. Each triumph marked an elevation in Jack's fortune, propelling him from a life of struggle to the helm of a thriving business empire. His innovative spirit and relentless dedication fueled the growth of his ventures. Yet amidst the glitz and glamour of success, Jack remained grounded. He never forgot his roots, the humble beginnings that had shaped him. Jack's journey, from the depths of poverty to the heights of prosperity, serves as a testament to the power of perseverance, determination, and the unwavering belief in one's dreams. Yet, amidst his wealth and success, Jack discovered a profound truth. True wealth, he realized, is not measured by material possessions, but by strength of character and the values we uphold. Jack's story is a potent reminder that no dream is too big, no obstacle too daunting, for those with unwavering determination and unyielding resolve.